search ShareX and download it. It's free and open source screen recorder. You need to do some settings in this software to record audio in it. Please hit that subscribe and like button to support me. I've installed this software already and I'm whizzing it right now to make this video. You need to do some changes to record the audio in this software. Go into Settings and click on Install Recorder Device. When you will click here, it will install its recorder. After that, you will get these settings to record audio. You can record audio from your microphone, or you can select to record internal audio. You will have these options available after doing these settings. To record, click on Capture and select Screen Recording. Then click anywhere on screen. It will start recording. Please like and subscribe this video to help tiny YouTubers like me get motivated.